Hello, friends!
Welcome to the Beginners English YouTube channel.
Today's topic is about my school.
Let us go to school.
Good morning. Good morning. Wake up. School time.
Brush your teeth.
Okay. Wear uniform.
I am ready.
Come, let us go. This is my school.
Big school.
Stand in line.
Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
This is our class.
ABC.
Listen to teacher.
I listen.
Write letters.
I write.
Read book.
I read.
Lunchtime.
I am hungry.
Eat food.
Yummy.
This lunch looks yummy.
Yeah, let's share.
Yay! After lunch, we will go to playground.
Okay.
This is our playground.
Wow!
Playtime.
Run!
Catch the ball.
Yay!
This is basketball.
Ball!
Throw the ball.
I throw.
This is a slide. I slide. Go slow.
Yay!
We played.
I am tired.
Drink water. Run fast.
I run.
1, 2, go! This is caroms.
Caroms.
Hit slowly.
Good shot.
This is chess.
Chess.
Think.
Okay.
This is basketball.
Ball.
Throw the ball.
I throw.
School is over.
Go home.
Good day.
Happy day.
Do homework.
Okay. Study well.
Yes. It is dinner time.
I am hungry. Eat your food. Yummy food. Eat well.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Bye.